Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Kumar. I am from Lucknow. I have done my master's degree in computer application from Galgotias University, Greater Noida. After completing my master's, I am searching for job. One day, I saw Evision Technoserve on novel.com. From Evision Technoserve, I have decided to admission on in Evision Technoserve. After completing Evision Technoserve, I have so many skills. I have learned many things about technology like hardware troubleshooting, network troubleshooting, and security management. After that, completing vision classes, we have so many interview calls received from companies. One day, I cleared a company interview, Total IT Global, that provide me offer of 2.44 LPA. Thank you so much.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join job.